part the winterizing my pond is to shutting down this skimmer. As you can see, I drain the water up through the 3-barrel filter cleaning. So now I'm gonna pump all the water out. I'm gonna flush out that waterfall through that red handle. The other bypass valve over there. So I'm gonna go inside my gazebo and put that panel there. I'm gonna do that to open that valve to flush the waterfalls out. And before I shut down the skimmer, also I want to pump all the water out from this skimmer barrel to pull out that pump and clean all the everything that's in there. They designed this gazebo enclosure so they are removable for the summertime. So I got 2 latch wooden latch that I made. It's swing like this to open it out. Then I also have 3 barrel bolts at the bottom to remove it. So I'm gonna put it on a camera and do it. Basically just turn this one counterclockwise. So it's this one counterclockwise, and pull up this barrel bolt there and there and there. So then I can just remove the panel. I'm gonna put on this side wall. All right, as you can see, I got the panel removed. I'm gonna sit on the side there. So now I'm gonna open this. This is a cleaning valve. Okay. Okay, so the water gonna pump out, bypass the waterfalls out to my backyard. And I'm gonna keep it open for the winter time to prevent from freezing. So as you can see, the water's coming out. The water's coming out here. See some coming out to the waterfalls there. But all right, as you can see, the pump almost running dry now. So I'm gonna pull out this basket, shelf, this. Oh man, 2 dead fish. Oh, still alive. Still alive. Still alive. Not dead yet. Yeah, sometimes I get stuck inside my skimmer. Glad you're okay, guys. Messy, guys. Right, I think I should shut it down now. Alright guys, so I shut out a pump. I'm gonna bring up this, my shelf. So I got some legs for my shelf here because it was too strong, not enough support on the sidewall. So it's not that bad out here. All right, so I'm gonna pull up this pump and I'm gonna remove this check valve too. Again, I'm gonna bring out the check valve inside the house, otherwise let me see, I'm remove this gasket. Otherwise when it's cold and check valve won't work and will get damaged due to freezing. I got some suction cup underneath. All right, that's the pump. And the check valve. Again, this is just a screw on. There. There's some water gonna come out. Yeah, there's more water coming out. Well, as you can see, my skimmer wall, there's some marking there, but the ring that holding the shelf in place was not strong enough to hold it, so that's why I modify the shelf with some legs there. Anyway, so I got some cleaning to do and I'll be back. I'm gonna pump this one out and clean inside here as well. And I'm gonna use that sub pump that I just put away. I'm gonna pump all the water out and clean inside this barrel and get ready for next year. All right, I'll see you in a bit. All right, I've got my sub pump inside here. Try to pump all this water out and clean this barrel at the same time. So while I'm waiting for this, I'm gonna go open that valve there too, to keep it open for the winter time. All right, keep this open. What? So hard. All right, I'm gonna bring in that Buddha statue also. Hey, my water lily flower is about to come up. Anyway, I'll take in that Buddha statue. Alright guys, so we got everything cleaned up in here now. Well, and I got the pump out. I also get my frost sprinkler pump out, and this sprinkler, Orbit sprinkler out, ready to put away too. So I'm gonna clean up these and I will continue tomorrow. It's kind of late now, so that's it for today. I'm gonna be doing the plants trimming down and set up the air bubbler and the de-icer tomorrow. So that's it for today. Thanks guys.